What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by AKASO, and we're taking a look at their DL12 2.5K mirror dashcam. Now, this is a 12-inch touchscreen that's built onto the surface of a mirror. How insane is that? Now, what does that mean? Well, it means that you have a full-on screen that you can use as your rear view mirror. But if you don't want to use the screen, you can simply tap a button underneath, and you're able to bring it right back into its normal mirror mode, and it will tell you the time and the day on the right side. How insane is that? It also gives you a wider viewing angle, and you're able to adjust it 170 degrees, which is really, really cool. But what if we took things to the next level? Well, get this thing has a camera built onto the front of it as well, so it's actually going to record every single thing that's going on in the front end of your car. So if you get into an accident, you have footage. All you do is insert an SD card and you are good to go. Then again, you also have the rear camera, so it records everything through the rear camera as well. And here's the craziest thing: you're able to go and split screen, so you can actually see everything that's going on in the front of your car, and you're able to see everything that's going on in the back of the car. How cool is that? Now, what exactly is the video resolution? Well, it's 2.5K. You're recording high quality videos, so if you need to zoom up on someone's license plate that reared you in the car or something of those sorts, you are able to get some really, really clear footage as well. Then, of course, there is the device itself. It works super well. It's one of the most sensitive touchscreens I've ever seen on a device like this, and it also has a variety of sensors. For example, you actually get a separate little component that you can plug into this, and that is the GPS component, so it knows exactly how fast you are going when you crash into someone. Hopefully not, but just in case, I mean, that's the whole purpose of the device here. If that does happen, you have a lot of info. Then, of course, it also has a bunch of interesting tech built into it. For example, it has super night vision because it has Sony's IMX335 Starvis sensor, and then it also has a processor built into it along with a 6-glass fixed focus lens, so you have the sharpest possible image in low light conditions, which, considering majority of people do drive at night, that is very, very important. Last but not least, it also has some really interesting tech where you actually have a G sensor built into it as well, and it can offer parking assistance to you as well, which is really, really cool. Now, the modes on here is that you can show what's going on in front of you, or you can have the mirror show you what's going on behind you using the camera, or you can just use it in a split screen mode where it's showing you the front and back simultaneously, which is really, really cool. So all in all, guys, go ahead and check this out in the link below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Give this a solid 10 out of 10, and if you don't take my word for it, it has 78 ratings on Amazon, and every single rating is a 5-star, and it has almost all 5-star ratings, which is really, really cool. Thank you for watching. This is going to be me logging